Good morning. Welcome to the morning meditation space. This meditation is a little different from my other meditations. There's no affirmations or spoken word. It's an invitation to just sit quietly with me. I'll guide you through a few breathing practices, but this is really about connecting in with your body, your moment, and bringing presence to your morning. Now, meditation isn't about trying to silence your mind. Thoughts are going to come up, and you just let them pass through. Don't try and control anything. Just be with yourself, no matter what you're feeling. So that's a great place to start. I want you to just take a nice deep breath in through the nose, and just let out a nice long sigh. And tune into your body. Notice what's going on, whether you feel discomfort in any body part, whether you feel any sadness or excitement or anxiety. Are you looking forward to this day ahead, or do you feel that horrible dread? Whatever comes up for you, it's not about changing it. It's just about noticing and seeing if you can find any of those emotions showing up in your body. So take another long deep breath and just scan your body from your toes right up to your head. I'm not going to guide you through this. Just in your own mind's eye, just bring awareness to each body part and just notice what you're feeling in those body parts. As you do this, don't forget to breathe. Notice if you hold your breath as you scan any of those body parts. Notice if any thoughts come up at any particular time when you're bringing awareness to a body part. You don't have to analyze the meaning behind that. Just notice. When you're finished scanning your body, I want you to take a deep breath in through the nose for a count of 4. Hold for a few moments, and then exhale for a count of 6. Now you don't have to get too caught up in the actual count. Just ensure your exhale is longer than the inhale. And I'm going to be quiet for a moment and let you breathe and just slow down. If you struggle with the silence, struggle with your breath, or your mind is just wandering, focus on the tip of your nose, or you might like to have an anchoring word, and that really can be anything. You might like to say an affirmation, I am calm. Or you could say any word that you think is funny. It's just something that brings your mind back to an anchoring point when you feel like you're going all over the place and you can't sit still. If you struggle to sit still for a couple of minutes, just practice every day sitting just a little longer. Meditation's not about being perfect. So continue with that breath, exhaling for a longer count than the inhale. Now you might like to just return to your natural rhythm, or if you prefer to keep that breath going, then that's fine too. This is your meditation. If you want to go back to not thinking about the breath, if that helps, just continue breathing through the nose in your own pace, your own rhythm. And if you do feel any uncomfortable moments or pain in the body, you might like to just focus your attention to that area of the body and breathe more deeply into that area. You can continue with the focus on the breath, or if you'd like to set an intention for your day, then let's close this meditation with a little walkthrough of our day. Firstly, think about what you want to experience today. How do you want to feel? You might like to be really specific or just something general, like peace. It's always a great place to start. And see yourself walking through your day with everything feeling joyful, peaceful, or if you have a stressful event coming up, just seeing it going smoothly. See yourself smiling and connecting with people, or just being content and at peace in your own company. You might like to imagine yourself at the end of the day telling someone about how your day went. And tell that person how it was a great day. You felt calm, you felt peaceful, everything went smoothly. Just feel yourself at the end of the day being content, being at peace. And when you've gone through your day, bring yourself back to the now, because all we have is now, this moment, right now. How do you feel in this moment? Do you feel a little bit more peaceful than you did before? Do you feel the same? Do you feel more anxious? There's no right or wrong answer to this. Just be with yourself now, choosing to be with your breath, feeling the power in your breath. Whenever you feel a bit shaky through the day, just come back to this breath. Inhaling, holding, and exhaling for longer than your inhale. And this will bring a bit of calmness to your day. So I'll leave you for a few more moments. And remind yourself of what your intention is for today. And when you're ready, bring awareness back to your environment, your surroundings, your body, and open your eyes. Have a beautiful day.